this is Larry Warden, a brand new GoPro user. I recently bought my first action camera, the GoPro Hero 8 Black. I feel the best way to learn about a new camera is to do research on it, go out and use it, and also I like to share my initial learnings with others to help them. This will be the third video I've done on this GoPro camera, and today's topic is the GoPro app. I'm going to show you how to download the app, how to link it to your smartphone, also on how to navigate through the different settings. So let's go to the computer and get started. The first thing we need to do is to download the GoPro app, which is found in the App Store for iOS devices and then on Google Play for the Android devices. So we'll just tap on the cloud and we'll start downloading the GoPro app. To connect our GoPro app to our camera, go to the screen at the back of the camera and swipe down to get into Preferences, tap on Preferences, and then Connections, and then Connect Device, and then tap on GoPro, and that will put it into the pairing mode. Now let's tap on the GoPro app icon. When that opens up, you'll see in the upper right hand corner a camera icon. I want you to tap on it. And it tells us now that we don't have a camera connected. We'll tap on the blue bar to add a camera, and now it is searching for the GoPro. Now it's found the GoPro, and let's tap on Connect Camera. And now it's showing connected. And my name is there, Larry's Hero 8 Black, so we'll just say save that name. And the new name is saved, and your Hero 8 Black is ready to go. We're going to tap on the blue icon to control our GoPro. The camera is going to go into preview mode, so now we're looking out of the lens of the camera. The camera has basically 4 modes, and the first one, live stream, we're not going to set up now. I'll do a separate video on that, but that's for those that want to live stream to Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. The other 3 modes are photo, video, and time-lapse, and we'll look at each one more precisely. Press on the black bar at the bottom with time-lapse, and we find the 3 options in this mode: time warp, time-lapse, and night-lapse. Time warp is more for when your camera is in motion, like a car. Time-lapse would be when your camera is stationary, like videoing a sunset, and night-lapse, of course, is at night. When you tap on the pencil, we go to some more precise settings in this mode. We can set our resolution between 4K and 1440. Our lenses, we can choose between wide or linear. And interval, we can set between 0.5 seconds and 60 minutes. And lastly, for the format, we can have time-lapse video or go into time-lapse photo. In video mode, let's tap on the black bar with video, and we see we have the different settings. We can customize the settings in any mode. Then we have standard, activity, cinematic, and slow-mo. Let's tap on the pencil beside standard, and we see here we have more precise options. For resolution, we can set it between 1080 and 4K. For the frames per second, between 24 and 240. For the lenses, we have a choice of narrow, linear, wide, and super view. And finally, for hypersmooth, we can set the amount of stability we want in our video. In photo mode, let's tap on the black bar to go into the different options in this setting. We can do a photo, a live burst, a burst, or a night photo. Let's tap on the pencil beside photo. Here we have some more precise settings. For lenses, we can select between linear, wide, and narrow. For the output of our photo, we can select HDR or standard, super photo, or raw. And finally, the timer we can set for either 3 seconds or 10 seconds. To take a photo, you simply press on the shutter button to take a photo in the GoPro app, and it's now on the GoPro app. And then we'll slide over to video, tap on video, and now we're taking a short video on the GoPro app, and we just tap the red square to stop the video. I'd like you to tap the wrench at the top of the page and go through some of the general settings for your camera. You see I have voice control and wake on voice, both toggled on. In this way, I can say turn on GoPro or turn off GoPro, start recording GoPro, stop recording GoPro, and many other commands that are on your camera listed under voice control. I also have quick capture toggled on. This is handy if your camera's off and you want to start recording something quickly. You just tap the shutter button and your camera will start. For auto lock, I can turn it on if you don't want your camera to change its orientation. LCD brightness can also be toggled left or right to adjust the brightness of your screen. I usually leave GPS toggled on because that can give your videos and photos more features. And lastly, at the bottom, your battery level is indicated and also the capacity of your SD card. I hope you have found this video helpful on the GoPro app, especially if you are a beginner. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel and you'll find other videos I have posted on the GoPro. I posted one on initial review of a brand new user and also one on basic startup accessories you'd need. So thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.